Did you go crazy the past few weeks with all the book sale events from National Bookstore, Big Bad Wolf, Scholastic, Fully Booked, and Aklatan Book Fair? Well, we certainly did. After all, who can resist a huge discount of 80 to 90% off? Anyway, we'll share with you our latest book haul, plus announce the winners of our Colleen Hoover book giveaway. Hi, thank you for watching. I hope you're doing great. Today, I will share with you our latest book haul from the National Bookstore 99 book sale. I am Clarice, and this is the latest shopping haul of my Metro lifestyle. In this video, we will also announce the winners of our book giveaway. If you have not subscribed yet, just click subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can update you with our future videos. Last June 29, National Bookstore had a huge sale where you can get international bestsellers for only 99 pesos each. This is ongoing until August 31, however, this is until supplies last only. So far, very few titles are left and most of the popular titles are already sold out. So just check with your local NBS branch for availability or check out their online stores, which I will share the link below. For now, let me share with you the books that we got from 5 of our favorite authors. First one is from Nicholas Sparks. I have read his novel The Notebook in 1996, and since then I was hooked and finished all of his works except the latest 3, which is The Wish, The Return, and Every Breath. I was so happy to see that the book Every Breath is included in the sale. Then we also got a book from Dan Brown. If you're not familiar, Dan Brown is the author behind the international bestsellers Angels and Demons and The Da Vinci Code, which honestly I haven't read. The only book of Dan Brown that I was able to finish is The Digital Fortress. Anyway, I couldn't pass on a hard copy this cheap, so we grabbed one and started reading it. Luckily, we were able to score another hardbound book, and this time from George R.R. Martin. He is the author behind the hit The Game of Thrones. Though this book is not part of the series, Fire and Blood is a great companion, talking about 300 years before The Game of Thrones. Then, of course, we shouldn't miss out on Jojo Moyes. Luckily, we were able to score 3 of her books, starting with the most popular Me Before You, which has sold over 14 million copies worldwide. This is actually a trilogy and we hope to get a copy of the other titles. We also got some of our standalone books such as 1+1 and The Horse Dancer. The list won't be complete without Colleen Hoover. Her books had been trending and a hot topic in online book communities. Thus, we are happy to score some of her books such as Finding Cinderella and Maybe Not. For Maybe Not, this is the second in her Maybe book series and we hope to get a copy of the other titles. And speaking of Colleen Hoover, we'll announce today the winner of our giveaway. So, without further ado, congratulations to Nikita Tolentino. You won a copy of Colleen Hoover's Maybe Not. And since we appreciate online book communities, we are also choosing another winner from one of the members of the Second Hand Books Philippines Facebook group. Congratulations to Honey Jean Yumo. To both winners, kindly message us on Facebook or Instagram to claim your prize. If you have an online book community and would like us to host a giveaway for your members, feel free to comment below and we'll get in touch with you. Going back to our book haul, our final book is from Mitch Albom, The Next Person You Meet in Heaven. This is actually a sequel to the bestseller, The 5 People You Meet in Heaven. This is such a steal and we are so happy to get this book. Of course, Mitch Albom's books are a whole new level. Anyway, that's it for now. Just comment down below what you think about our latest book haul, and also let us know in the comment section below the next book that you would like us to give away. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our future videos and next book giveaway. Happy reading!